How to send direct message on Instagram to all followers, or how you can send message to all followers on your Instagram. So sending a direct message to all your followers on Instagram is not a built-in feature of the app, and Instagram does not provide a direct way to broadcast messages to all followers simultaneously. However, you can use a few alternative methods to reach out to the multiple followers. So you have to launch your Instagram app here. So while you can't send a message to all followers at once, you can manually send messages to multiple followers. You have to tap the paper plane icon which is on the top right corner of your home page to access your message, or you can go for the message option. After that, you can see the plus icon or plus sign or new message icon here. Just go and tap on that, and you have to select up to 32 people here to create a group chat, or you can include the small number of people to include the message thread here, and you can write a message it to the selected recipient. You can create a group message here to send a message to the specific person. So while you are not direct messaging, Instagram stories can be used to broadcast the information to a wide audience. You have to swipe right to your home page to access your story camera, and you have to tap on your profile icon which is on the top left corner. You have to create your story content, and you have to tap your story to share it with all your followers. Reach out to the followers individually. If you need to reach all your followers, you may need to send an individual message to one of the person here, just like this. And after that, you have to simply long press on that, and you have to just go for the forward option, and you can forward it to the people that you want to send. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily send a direct message on Instagram to all of your followers. So while Instagram doesn't offer a feature to send a direct message to all followers at once, you can try this step to solve your issues. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.